Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Gonna concentrate a little bit on the outside before I go over the pitch, because I don't think there'll be much change on the pitch just yet. Because my understanding still is that the pitch isn't getting laid till the 12th, which is Wednesday. So I'm gonna have a little nose on the outside, and then I'll go over and have a look. Because I'm not holding up any up for that corner to be having any change in it either. So let's see that these guys up to here. Yeah, the brickies are starting up, getting up that column now, which is good news. A few videos ago as well, someone said that I sounded dead sad. The downbeat on my video. It wasn't that. I was I wasn't well. I'd had some like stomach bug for 24 hours, and yeah, I didn't feel like coming up and making the video, if I'm being honest. But I got it done, got it edited, and then started feeling sorry for myself. Stomach cramps all night. But yeah, no, it's not to do with being sad. I just wasn't feeling great, that's all. But thanks to everyone's concern, because there's a few people picked up on it, which is amazing. It's unreal. I did try my best to hide it. Okay. Are these just scaffolders, are they? If anyone knows, let me know. I should really know by now, shouldn't I, what people do on this site. Right, I can hear that driving for where I'm standing. Got more brickies there, but I'll have a look at them in a second. Yeah, it's a busy site today. They must have days where they can't have many people on site or whatever. Because sometimes it's really quiet, sometimes it's really busy. Today's a really busy site. So you can see where that's going to. No, I'm not sure. Couple of lifts there. Is that scaffold coming down, is it? What is that? Is it scaffold pulse? Can't tell on the screen, guys. I'll have to wait till I've edited and have a look. Right, more brickies here, I think, innit? No. They sort of cladding out underneath. Would it be called a soffit? Would it be right in saying that? I don't know. Okay, let's get I'll go left or right, I'll go right. I'm closest to the right. I can hear banging, but it seems central of the stands from where I'm standing. What are these colours here? Are these windows? Are they windows, yeah? Or not? Could give a clue to what's going there if someone knows what that is. It's a nice sunny day today, and it's there's a little bit of a breeze, but not much. Yeah, it's quite calm. It's quite nice. You got that little breeze that's blowing on you to cool you down a touch. Okay, so that bricklayer's there. Can I have a look inside there? No, you can't see much, can you? What's up here? No, it's just the floor's looking level. Hopefully that's a good sign. Right, let's go down the other side. Then we'll have a look on the inside then. I think the next money shot's going to be the grass going down. Possibly. There's a couple of things going on here. I can see a lift and a cherry picker. Just doing some pointing, aren't they? See, I'm learning. I'm probably wrong, aren't I? Learning new words. But to be fair, I've never seen this done before, so it looks quite simple, doesn't it? As you said, give it a job. I can do that. That was good. Brickies down here on the scaffold as well. That's coming up, that brickwork. Yeah, they're working hard there, getting that up. It's not the best weather to be working in. Okay, you know, it could be raining and windy, but the heat's just as bad, I think. What's going on with this cherry picker? He's just sitting there, isn't he? There's no one in it. I wonder what it was for. No, no idea, don't know. Is anyone working on this cladding up here? Yeah, there is. I'll have another closer look at them in a minute when I get over the pitch. Get some height. Okay. Pitch time. So I'm guessing that there won't be any tractors on here today. A bit too high, there we go. And there we go. Looks very neat. Brilliant, isn't it? So anyone in the know, is that good, ready to go now, just to lay the turf on top? It looks it to me. Guys on the front here. Yeah, plenty of work going on the roof. Let's get a closer look here. Oh, I get it. So that cladding's for the front there. Yeah, okay. Couldn't quite work it out from that other angle. Okay. I'll swing back around towards the Kenny Dalglish stand in a minute and have a look in that corner of interest. No tour going on today. I mean, you're fairly early, so maybe you haven't started yet. Well, they have started and they're just inside. Yeah, people have been wondering what this Gancy thing is. Yeah, I think it's for cameras. I think it's a cameraman post. Looks like a perfect position for the cameras to be sitting on. But yeah, still nothing in that corner. I had some mentions to do today, guys, and I forgot my notes. I'll do them tomorrow. Someone's got to drive, and you know what? I do know this name, but I want to get it right. I've been told the name, and I've been told how to pronounce it, so I will do it tomorrow. Okay, just want to get it right. It's not pronounced the way it's spelt, put it that way. and there's a mention for someone abroad as well, which I'm not going to say where, because I want to get that right as well. I think I know it off the top of my head, but yeah, I'd rather have my notes in front of me. We'll have a look at where this crane is in as well. I can't see anything. It's just hanging there, isn't it? Okay, there's no one there. I thought there might be someone there, that's all. Right, anyone thinks I've missed anything, let me know. Oh, what I do know, have a look at Paul Frost's videos. He's got great footage of this. He's recorded the glass getting put in over here. I think it was this glass here. Yeah, I think it was there. Big massive sheets of it. He's got some great footage of it getting lifted and put in. So have a look at Paul Frost's video on that one. What are these pulling here? Oh, one thing I will mention while I'm here. People are saying that they don't think that road is wide enough for two-way traffic. You know what? Anfield Road's narrow anyway. Can I see from down here? Let me just zoom into Anfield Road there. See, it's not the narrowest, the widest of roads anyway, so I think it will be two-way traffic. But people are saying there's going to be one-way roads. I can't see why it'd be a one-way road, or how they'd have it as a one-way road. What we need to see is where the Cavestones are going to be on that side, and is that them going in there? Let's have a quick look. No, it's not a Cavestone, is it? So we need to know where the Cavestones are going to be, that side of the road, and then we can have a good idea then of how wide the road's going to be. But I just think it's going to be, and I know what people are saying, because it's going to be a blind bend coming round. Time will tell. That's all I'll say. I can't see how they can make it a one-way road. It'd have to be a massive diversion to get round it. What was this? See? Forever Stones. So the bench area there, the bench area just behind that seat, and there's going to be another bench area there. It looks like it's going to be the Champions League. So I'm guessing there's going to be 6 benches for 6 Champions League wins. Is what's going to be on them benches. On the Danny Road side, the main stand side, they've got players' benches. So that one there, Steven Gerrard. See there, that's Steven Gerrard's bench. And I think the ones on Danny Road's part, Kenny side, are going to be Champions League benches. So the dates, scorers maybe on it. Right, I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Got quite a lot of subscribers yesterday for explaining that it's totally free to subscribe to my channel. Absolutely free. I know the word says subscribe and people think subscription. People associate subscriptions with payments. No, it's not how it works. As someone keeps saying, they need to change that to a follow or something along them lines where it doesn't suggest payments. Okay, but please subscribe to the channel if you like it. I appreciate everyone that subscribes, everyone that comments and liking the channel. Liking the video will show it to more people. in their recommended. Okay, right, I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.